Storm Dylan to wreck New Year's Eve with 80 miles per hour gusts and torrential rain. A severe cold snap has crippled Britain with heavy snow and sub-zero temperatures causing travel mayhem at airports and on roads. In the coming days, a volatile band of low pressure developing in the Atlantic Ocean will smash into Northern Ireland and Scotland, unleashing strong gales and heavy downpours. Severe weather has led the Met Office to name the fourth storm of the season, Dylan, after Aileen, Brian and Caroline struck earlier this year. The Met Office has issued a raft of Be Aware yellow weather alerts warning of widespread travel disruption due to heavy rain, large tidal waves and strong winds. Forecasters have issued warnings about very strong winds causing power cuts, damage to buildings and danger to life due to flying debris. Storm Dylan is expected to make landfall over Northern Ireland and Scotland on Saturday night as it heads eastwards towards the North Sea. The Met Office said, an area of low pressure is expected to develop over the Republic of Ireland on New Year's Eve and track northeastwards across Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. This will bring some very strong winds to these areas with the potential for gusts of 70 to 80 miles per hour in some places. The winds will ease from the west as the low continues to move northeast. There is a lot of uncertainty in how this low develops and so the resulting strength of the winds and timings of the system. Some very strong winds are possible across Northern Ireland and then southern Scotland on New Year's Eve. The Met Office yellow weather warnings for ice, snow, rain and wind have been put in place across Scotland, northwest and East England and the Midlands from 3 p.m. today until 9 a.m. on Sunday. On Saturday, more than 1 inch of snow is expected to fall in Scotland on higher ground with hazardous ice on roads and pavements in northern England. Meanwhile in Wales and southern England, forecasters have warned of flooding caused by heavy rain from Saturday evening and overnight into Sunday morning. Storm Dylan will then strike on Saturday night as millions prepare to celebrate the new year. The Met Office said, some very strong winds are possible across Northern Ireland and then southern Scotland on New Year's Eve. There is a small chance of damage to buildings, such as tiles blown from roofs, with the potential for injuries and danger to life from flying debris. Large waves and beach material being thrown onto coastal areas could also be a hazard. There is a small chance of longer journey times or cancellations as road, rail, air and ferry services are affected with the chance that some roads and bridges could close. Power cuts and other services such as mobile phone coverage may be affected. Large swaths of Scotland were blanketed with heavy snow on Friday morning as a spell of severe weather pummeled the region. Glasgow Airport temporarily suspended operations due to the snow after temperatures dropped to 12.3 C at Loch Glascarnock in the Scottish Highlands overnight. Bookmaker Coral has slashed the odds of this month being the coldest December on record in the UK from 2-1 to 5-4. The firm is offering 1-2 for the wind speed to reach 100 miles per hour before the new year and evens for London to get snowfall by the end of Sunday. The public were collectively scraping ice off their windscreens this morning, and we've been forced to slash our odds on a cold end to the month, S spokesperson said.